In past years, we'd been challenged by having teams in two cities, but it got both teams united, which was a big push for us through COVID, was to get everybody working as one team. So it was actually the perfect event for that. We got to see other people that maybe we only see on business Zoom calls, and we don't get to actually see them more in their natural habitats, aka their kitchens.
If you see somebody that you haven't saw in like a year, say hi.
You were at home, but your kids and your wife and your dog and everybody was there, but you were sharing that experience with your coworkers who were also doing the same. But when you're cooking it and preparing it, and then showing up with what you made to kind of break bread together virtually, I think it just was a very humanizing, very personal experience.
Once we start, ain't no stopping us now. And that's not a Lionel Richie song, but that's a song from that era.
As an option of there's so many online experiences now out there, and if you want to learn to be a better chef, get a masterclass subscription and go watch the masterclass. If you want to have a real fun experience, no matter where they are in the world, going to a class with Chef Joey, not only do you get a great meal to eat at the end, and yes, you learn how to cook and he teaches you some tricks, but it's interactive, it's engaging, it's humorous. There's the history and understanding where these foods came from and what the evolution was and why certain things were called a certain thing, while also being like completely entertained by great, stand-up comedy throughout the whole process.
Ooh, lovely.
Oh! That's all right, love. We're just gonna scoot right back up.
There's no dull moments in a cooking class with Chef Joey.